Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to achieve the bomb twist out every time. So of course today I'm going to be featuring some products by SheaMoisture from their Manuka honey line. I received these products as part of my curl box, so we're just going to use those today. So let's get started. So of course we're just going to start off by shampooing our hair. So first I'm going to detangle and then proceed with the Intensive Hydration Shampoo by SheaMoisture. So one of the things that I loved about the shampoo is that it lathered so quickly, so I love that. So once I finish shampooing the hair, I'm going to just go ahead and proceed with conditioning. I do have a few videos where I show you guys how I deep condition my hair, so I'm just going to apply the product and then sit under my hooded steamer and then proceed with styling. Alright, so I'm actually going to take the leave-in milk and apply it to every section of my hair first. I love to go ahead and apply all of the leave-in conditioner to my hair and then proceed with actually applying the styling cream. I find that when I apply the leave-in ahead of time, it just soaks in better. So that's what I'm going to do here. So now I'm just actually taking apart all of the sections that I've added the conditioner to, just to go ahead and part my hair the way I want it to be parted for styling. One of the main tricks to getting a really bomb twist out is making sure that your hair is very clean and well conditioned, both leave-in as well as deep conditioner. That way your hair is just fully moisturized when you are actually applying any type of twisting butters to your hair. So for the sake of this video, I'm actually going to use both the twisting cream as well as the gel. So I'm actually going to twist my hair down to, I would say, almost to the ends, and then on the ends of the hair apply the gel and then kind of twirl it around my fingers, so you guys will see it in the video. Another trick to always getting a bomb twist out is making sure that your hair, especially if you have thick hair, that you use small to medium sections of hair. That way you get more definition, and then even if you do medium to small sections, you can still separate it towards the end, which is what I'll do in my video. I would definitely say the most important step of getting the bomb twist out is making sure your hair is detangled when you are twisting it, because when you take the hair down, you definitely don't want to cause a whole bunch of frizz. So the best way to not cause the frizz is to make sure your hair is detangled. Alright, so I'm actually going to let my hair dry for 2 nights, just because this was the weekend when I did it, so I had the time to let it dry. So this is day 2 of me drying my hair, so I'm just going to apply some oil to my hands and apply it all over my hair. Of course, this is optional, but I find that I do need a little oil for some products after styling, and this is one of those lines of products. So now we're just going to start taking it down. Alright, so as you can tell, I have day 1 hair for sure. It's very flat. I love my hair to have a lot of volume, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it apart one more time. Of course, take your time doing this step just because you don't want to cause too much frizz on your hair. But if you did properly detangle from the beginning, you shouldn't have any issues. Obviously, this step is optional, but if you are like me and you love volume, go ahead and take your hair apart a second time and then grab a pick and I would say a Y2 comb and just rake it just a little bit. Alright, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe. And for everyone else that is returning, thank you for watching this video. And until next time, bye.